What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Foxtune Swivel Bucket Seat. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the seat, including one thing that you should know before buying. Now, before I begin, I do want to mention Foxtune. They did reach out to us and asked us if we'd be willing to do the review in exchange for the actual product. And I said, yeah, because I thought this thing was pretty cool and I have not been let down. So first off, this bucket seat, it's really simple, right? So you just take it off. There's no clips, nothing like that. It just sits directly on the bucket. It's kind of one of those, why didn't I think of this type of situations? It's a really simple product, but it actually is pretty great. So you've got the seat here, which is comfortable. It's nice and padded. It's not super hard or anything like that. And then it's got this cloth material over it. And then we've got this little plastic back part to it as well. And all you do is it fits directly on standard bucket sizes. This is a Home Depot bucket here, and you can see that it fits really nicely. Now, personally, I'm big into fishing. And previously, I usually would just take the bucket and flip it over and sit out that way. But that's not really comfortable, let's be honest. The thing that's cool about this is that you sit on it. It's actually comfortable. That's the biggest thing, right? And you can fully swivel 360 degrees. In terms of weight, I am 220 total pounds. And this thing, as long as your bucket is stable, you shouldn't have a problem with the weight. Now, my wife, I'm not going to get her out here to do this, but she actually uses this for gardening. So there's multiple uses for it. Like I said, I do fishing. I can see hunters. I mean, she uses it for gardening. There's a lot of different reasons that you could, use this thing, that I think a lot of people would use this thing. A really good idea, honestly, that I just think is so simple, but it definitely does exactly what it's intended to do, and I really, really like it. So yeah, if you're not all that sure about it, I assure you, I mean, it is soft, it is comfortable, you can sit down on it, it's going to hold your weight, it just fits right on the bucket, exactly as you see, and does exactly what's needed. So we definitely recommend this if you are considering it.